It's yet another day of China dropping an AI model. This time it's called Qwen. Qwen is direct competitor to the likes of DeepSeek and ChatGPT, but it also excels at generating images. It's on par with models like Flux and even better than DALL-E. So, let's see what it can do. Alright, so here we are in Qwen, which is the newest Chinese LLM. First thing we can do is go up here and choose the Qwen 2.5 Max, which is currently the best model there is from Qwen. And let's see what it can do. We have 4 options here. And the fifth one is obviously just asking a normal question, one of which doesn't work yet, which is the video generation. Let's start with image generation. Let's choose one of their ready available prompts, and let's see how fast it generates everything. From what I can see from before, it does generate faster than most AI models, but still probably slower than Flux. And here it is, and it does very much seem pretty good. I quite like the image. Next, let's say a futuristic cat holding a sign saying hello. I want to see how good it is at generating text on images. And it does seem to be pretty good. We do have a futuristic cat, and we do have a text saying hello. So everything is good. Now let's see if it can generate some more difficult text, something that isn't a normal word. For example, name of my channel, Webchain Dev. So we can say a billboard saying the text Webchain Dev, like this. Because from what I can see, a model like Flux often makes mistakes on these kinds of words, which aren't normal ones. But from what it seems, it didn't make a mistake. It did generate some weird text over here, but that's because I didn't prompt it to write anything over there. But the text itself, it made very well. So I am quite impressed. Now let's make some larger image, for example, a landscape of an alien planet filled with lush vegetation. Blue, purple color. And this seems absolutely awesome. Definitely no worse than Flux, DALL-E, or any other image generation model. So it seems we do truly have a competitor to the Western competition. And so I believe we have one final test. How well does it generate humans? For this, we'll go to new chat, choose image generation, choose portrait, and say, first of all, hyper realistic photo of, let's say, Chinese female model, like this. And here we have this. I wouldn't say this is hyper realistic, but it is decently good. Now let's say photo of man in scuba suit holding a surfboard, like this. Now this does seem a bit more realistic. Let's try some other one. Let's make this 16 by 9 and say a group of Europeans running a marathon. Doesn't seem the best. So, from what I can see and from other images I've generated before, I would assume that it is quite good, but not quite on par with the likes of Midjourney or Flux. Now, overall, it is as good as them, but in terms of generating humans, it is slightly worse. And so, this is our comparison done. We do see quite a good competitor in this field. It's not quite as good as the others for now, but only time will tell. And I do believe models like this, either Qwen or some other new one, will overtake Midjourney, Flux, DALL-E, and all the other ones, judging by how fast the Chinese are developing. And so, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.